Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove an indicator right here on PrimeXBT. And it's not that difficult. And if you can see here left in the bottom, the chart is supported by TradingView. So if you use TradingView many times, you know exactly how it works. But if you don't ever used TradingView before, then I will show you how to do that. Because if you go to indicators and we search, for example, right here for the RSI, the relative strength index, we can add the RSI from here. So click on the cross, and then this is the indicator that we just added from here. Then what we're going to do right here is very simple. We throw our mouse to the RSI, and then you can click right here on the remove option. Or if you want to do it a little bit more difficult, 3 dots and then remove. But I click here on remove and now the indicator is gone. So this is how you can remove an indicator from PrimeXBT. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.